Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to make chicken and vegetable stir fry. For that I have about 700 grams of chicken here, chicken breast, 2 to 3 celery sticks. If you have bigger sticks then you can use 2, but I have smaller sticks, that's why I took 3. 1 crown of broccoli, 2 bell pepper, 1 is yellow and 1 is red, 2 onion, snow peas or sugar snap peas, about 300 grams, and zucchini 1 big, about 2 cup baby carrots, ginger, garlic, salt, red chili powder, turmeric and garam masala. And for sauces I'm going to use a little bit of soya sauce and honey, ketchup, barbecue sauce, and what is this, mustard. Let's get started. Okay guys, my ingredients are cut and ready. Now it's time to start cooking. I have about less or more half cup of cooking oil over here, and I'm going to turn on my stove on medium high. As soon as my cooking oil has become hot, I will add the ginger and garlic paste. I have crushed it already in mortar. While waiting for the oil to get heated, I am getting ready my sauces. About quarter cup I have barbecue sauce here, about quarter cup or 2 tablespoons of mustard, quarter cup of soya sauce, quarter cup honey, and mix them all together. I will use it at the end, but as I'm waiting for oil to get heated. Oil is ready, so let's start cooking. Chicken is almost done, and as chicken will be done, I will take it out from the pot and cook my vegetables, because chicken is very soft, so it's boneless chicken breast and I don't want it to be broken, so I will take it out. It's time to add the carrots. We will start from the hardest vegetable to the softest one. So carrots are very hard. I will put them first. Time to add the celery. Okay, now it's ready to add broccoli in here. The hard vegetables are almost done. So it's time to add broccoli. Two, 3 minutes. Stir the broccoli for 2 minutes, and then I will add the zucchini. To add zucchini. Now these are soft vegetables and we don't want them to be too much soft. So just stir once or twice. Add bell peppers. I will add about 2 tablespoons of water because it is cooking at the bottom. That will be brown. At this point, I am going to add onions. Now add the chicken also. It's time to add the sauces. I'm adding here red chili paste or red chili sauce. It's about same amount, 2 tablespoons or quarter cup. If you don't want to make it too spicy, so you can opt out this ingredient, but because I want to make it spicy, that's why I am adding the chicken and vegetables. And mix it well. Almost done. Very tasty and healthy at the same time. Vegetables are lightly soft and crunchy at the same time, and you can eat it or serve it with rice or pasta or noodles also. Leave it for a few minutes to dry up the sauce's water, and it's time to dish out. And I'm serving it with rice. You can serve it with pasta or just spaghetti. How good looking it is, colorful at the same time. It's healthy and tasty. If you like my video, make sure to subscribe my channel and click the bell icon so you can be notified when new video comes out. Don't forget to share with your friends and leave your feedback in the comments.